Okay guys, so today we're gonna test these two robots. So it's a Roborock S8 Plus and a cheaper one, Lefant. You'll find the model in the description down below. And I want to test something. What if you put these two guys to work all together and you see if they collide or they're gonna avoid each other. Bear in mind that uh, the white one I already used once, but this one it's charging on right now and haven't used yet. So let's see. So this is the app. Enter. It's charging. Okay. Start cleaning. Okay, it's going to do some work now. Now I'm gonna put also the big one to work. Let's see if everything goes okay. Oops, bump. Make sure that there's no cables on the floor. Okay, let's go back to the little one. Until now it works very well. I see there was some dirt on the floor and he managed to clean everything. So this one is $150 compared to the other one, which is around 500. So cannot expect too much for this one, but it's okay till now. It's only a vacuum robot, not washing the floor like the other one. Until now they are doing okay. They're not bumped too much, so let's see now. They're very close. Oops. Oops. Again. 3 times. 4 times. What's happening now? Look at them. Okay, so the big one, Roborock, already finished the 2 rooms, vacuum and cleaning is going back to the station, as you can see, while the little one, Lefant, is doing some work in the second room, in the bedroom. So it's smaller, of course it takes much more time to do the cleaning. So the white one, the big one, finished all the house in 35 minutes, vacuum and washing the floor. So let's see how much time it takes for this one to finish the vacuum. So now they are both at the stations charging. So the white one finished in about 28 minutes, I think, and this one in around 45 to 48 minutes. So smaller, but it's quite good for $150 budget vacuum robot. I think it's okay. Bye.